In this video, you'll learn how to add your DNS entries in Hostinger using the hPanel interface. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to look for, even if this is your first time working with DNS settings. First, log into your Hostinger account and open hPanel, which is Hostinger's main control panel. Once you're in hPanel, look for the section labeled Domains. This is usually visible right on the main dashboard or in the top menu. Click on the Domains tab to see all of the domains connected to your account. Inside the domains area, you'll see an option called Domain Portfolio. This is where Hostinger groups your domains so you can manage them more easily. Click on Domain Portfolio to open the list of your domains. Take a moment to confirm you're working with the correct domain, especially if you have several. When you've found the domain you want to edit, look to the right side of that row and click the Manage button next to it. After clicking Manage, you'll be taken to a dedicated page for that specific domain. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu or sidebar with different options for managing your domain. Here, you're looking for the option labeled DNS or Name Servers. Click on DNS or Name Servers in that left sidebar to open the DNS management area. Once that page loads, make sure you are on the DNS Records tab. Hostinger may show multiple tabs in this section, such as Name Servers and DNS Records, so double check that DNS Records is selected. This is important because the DNS Records tab is where you actually add or modify entries like A records, C names, MX records, and others. Now look for the section called Manage DNS Records. This is usually found a little lower on the page and lets you add new entries or adjust existing ones. Before you type anything, it helps to have the DNS details you need already prepared, maybe from your email provider, website builder, or another service you're connecting. That information usually includes the type of record, the host or name, the value or target, and sometimes the TTL, which controls how long the record is cached. In the Manage DNS Records section, start by choosing the correct record type from the drop-down such as A, CNAME, TXT, or MX, depending on what you were given. Then, in the host or name field, enter the value required, like the root symbol or a subdomain. In the value or points to field, paste or type the destination, such as an IP address or another domain. If there is a TTL field, you can usually leave the default unless the service you're setting up asks for something specific. Once you've filled in all the required information and double check that everything matches the instructions you were given, click the Add Record button. Hostinger will then save this new DNS entry to your domain's configuration. Keep in mind that DNS changes do not take effect immediately. It can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours, and in some cases even longer, for the new records to fully propagate across the internet. During this time, you might see inconsistent behavior, which is completely normal. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added your DNS entries in Hostinger using hPanel.